Anything you can do, I can do better. Annie told Frank with confidence, I can do anything better than you. She continued to exert her superiority over him. This greatly annoyed Frank, and he responded with these words, No, you can't. This instigated the childish fight even further. Frank tried to overpower Annie by declaring, Anything you can be, I can be greater. Sooner or later, I'm greater than you. Immediately, Annie fought back. No, you're not. The above scenario is from the Broadway song Anything You Can Do. Imagine if church members fight like this. For sure, there wouldn't be church unity. No people should be conceited. Self-importance will certainly destroy the unity of any church. Let's ponder the reminder of Paul. Let nothing be done through selfish ambition or conceit, but in lowliness of mind let each esteem others better than himself. Let's pose a question to God. Could you reveal my areas of being conceited? Let's practice what you learned. Pray that you stop being conceited. Let's proclaim to others about your experiential knowledge. Share the importance of not being conceited with a new believer.